You just finished.
D circle the.
Yeah.
Very good. Now circle D. D. Standing line, backside curve. D. D. Good morning, Tilakar.
Good morning, ma'am.
D. Yeah, good morning, Mailango. Circle D. Let me see. Adya, circle B, Adya.
Mausita,
A
ma'am.
to G, you have to write, ma, Tilakar. Small letters A to G, you have to write.
Good morning, Mausita,
Good morning,
ma'am.
Mokita. Take your slate and write A to G, small letters.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Circle D. Finish, good. This is B, standing line and front curve, B. And standing line, backside curve is D. Very good, Adya. Written till G. Super. Good. Very good, all of you. Keep your slates down. We'll start the session. Who is still writing? Nitisha.
No.
Good morning, Nakshatra.
Good morning.
Ma'am, what is the activity?
A to G, but we have finished it. We're going to start the session, no problem.
Okay.
Finish, children, others.
Watch me disappear, baby. I can see me. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt. Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last. last. Safe at last. It's the end. It's the end. It's the end. It's the end.
One more time. Will you all do the action one more time?
Yes, ma'am.
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark. Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark. Grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark. Grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark. Let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt. Run away, run away, run away. Safe at last, safe at last, safe at last, safe at last. It's the end, it's the end, it's the end, it's the end.
That's it. Shall we start the session? Yes, stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Stand up, join your hands, close your eyes. Kidsy anthem. You are in the dream. You are infinite.
You are
You are the wings.
You are the wings, my potential inside. You define me, my potential inside.
Today I pledge.
Inside. Today I pledge. It all by might. Is that understand you?
Very good. Well done, Nimalan and Yukta. Both of you said Kidsy anthem today. Very good. Tomorrow Nimalan will say. Okay, Nimalan? Nimalan alone will say. Okay? Keep standing for the warm-up activity.
What's going on?
Run.
Ding, ding. Racing. Ding, ding. Bam, bam. Break it.
Run. Very good, all of you. Come on, go drink one glass of water and come back.
My mama who are
Adya,
here I am Aditya Ma.
very good, Adya.
I forgot the starter.
Tell it once again. மறுபடியும் சொல்லு.
Ilango. Very good, Ilango. Next.
என் பேருக்கு இன்னும் ஏவணும்.
அங்க பாரு.
Very good, Nakshatra. Next. Huh? Here I am. Very good. Next. Very good, Kevin. Next. Yes, she is absent. Okay. Next. Sarah. Sarah is also absent. Pranavi. Very good. Pravina. We are marking you, Pravina. Next.
Here I am Pravina ma'am.
Very good, Srividya. Next.
Ma'am.
Very good, Tilakar. Next.
Here I am ma'am.
Very good, Yukta. Next. Kadambari is absent. Okay. Next. Shravanya.
Here I am.
Very good, Shravanya. Mokshita.
Here I am ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Next. Nimalan.
Here I am ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. Next. Adarsh. Very good, Adarsh. Thank you, children. Very good, Adarsh. Thank you, children. Okay. Now I want you to take your My Word Trip book, children. Page number 33. My Word Trip book, page number 33. My daily talks. Whatever you talk daily, those dialogues are given here. Page number 33. Okay, can anyone tell me what is the first picture? What can you see in the first picture? What can you see here? First picture, what can you see here? Yes?
Ma'am,
My Word Trip book, that book only, ma. Page number 33.
sleeping. Ma'am, they are working up, ma'am.
Sorry?
They are working. It's morning.
Yeah, very good. Mummy is waking up the children. See here, they were sleeping. What Mama is doing? Mama is waking up the children, and what the children are saying? Children என்ன சொல்றாங்க எழுந்த உடனே? What they are saying? Good morning. You also will say good morning, right? காலையில எழுந்த உடனே what you will say when you get up early in the morning? What you will say? You will say good morning, right? Same way here, Mama is saying good morning to the children, and the children also returning back the good morning to their parents. Okay, good morning. Next, what is the picture given? What are they doing?
They are dressing up.
Dressing up to go where? Where they are going?
School.
Where they are going?
Ma'am, can you repeat the page number again?
Going to school. Very good. They are dressing up to going to school. What the boy is doing? What the boy is doing? Boy is wearing uniform. And what the girl is doing? Yeah, combing the hair. Very good. And in the third picture, what do you see? Third picture. What do you think, sir? Yeah, they are going to school. So what are they saying? Goodbye, Mama. What are you saying? Goodbye, Mama. Like that. You also will say, no, when you go out to your grandparents' home, you say goodbye, right? The same way they are saying bye, Mummy. And the fourth picture, here what is happening here? Yes, they woke up early in the morning, first one. Then they got ready to school, second one. Third one, they said bye to their mummy and they are going to school. And what is here? Which case is this? Very good. This is the school classroom. Okay, and in the classroom, who's there? Who's there?
Miss. Miss.
Who's this, ma?
Miss.
Mummy is there in the school. Who is there in the school? யார் இருக்காங்க ஸ்கூல்ல? Teacher, very good. Teacher, okay. And what they are saying? As soon as they enter into the class, what they are saying? Good morning, teacher. Yes, you also, as soon as you enter the session, what you will say to Vanilla ma'am? You'll say good morning, Vanilla ma'am, right? Or else ma'am will say good morning to you. Yes or no? So they are wishing each other good morning. So these are the regular talks, okay? So likewise, I want you two children to communicate in English at home. Small sentences. Chinna sentences. Try to communicate in English. If you want something, if you want water, you want biscuit, you want chocolate, you want toys, what will you do? How will you ask your parents? How will you go and ask your parents? Keeping your parents get quiet. How will you ask? Nakshatra, what will you ask? If you want water, how will you ask?
Please.
Very good, Yukta. Please give me some water. Or else I want water. Very good. I want water. I want chocolate. I want biscuit. I want toys. Like that, you have to talk in English. Okay. Communicate small sentences in English. Okay. And another sentence, if you want to go to restroom. If you want to go to restroom, how will you ask your parents? If you want to go to restroom.
Please restroom.
Yeah, very good, Yukta. Shall I go to restroom? Okay, shall I go to
Bathroom, ma'am.
restroom? Yeah, bathroom or restroom, whatever it is. Okay, and the third sentence is, if your parents are giving you something, they are giving you chocolate, toys and everything, whatever you want, you got it from them. As soon as you get it from them, what will you say?
Thanks.
Thank you. Very good, Yukta. As soon as you get it. Amma edavadu kudutangana what you should say? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Daddy. Whatever it is, whoever it is. Okay? If it is your grandparents also, you should thank them. Whatever you get from them, as soon as you get it, you have to say thank you. So try to communicate small sentences in English. Okay, children? Okay, next is our rhyme session. And in rhyme session, today we are going to learn a new rhyme. Pudu rhyme inniki. Okay? What rhyme is that, you know? Vegetables. Can anybody tell me the name of some vegetables?
Vegetable.
Yes?
English vegetable.
Names of some vegetables.
Vegetable.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, carrot, then tomato. Nobody knows the names of vegetables, huh? You don't know the names of vegetables? Yes, ma? Okay, one by one I'm going to ask you. First, Vimal, and tell me any name, any vegetable. Name any vegetable. Any vegetable.
Potato.
Potato. Very good. Shravanya, any vegetable. Sit down, Shravanya, first. Sit first. Name any vegetable.
Vegetable name. What vegetable name you know?
What vegetable you know? Don't know, Tomato also don't know.
Tomato.
Okay. Yukta, any vegetable?
Go the particular.
Carrot. Srinija?
Guava. Guava.
Guava is a fruit. Okay. Kevin? Kevin? Any vegetable or fruit? Come on.
Lady's finger.
Lady's finger. Very good. Nitish? Nitish? Tomato. Okay. Nakshatra? Nakshatra?
Vegetable name.
Any vegetable or fruit?
Is a vegetable name. Samda.
Any vegetable you can say. Whatever vegetables you know, you can say.
I like carrots.
Carrot. Very good. Adya Sharma? Adya? Any vegetable you know?
Vegetables.
Any vegetable?
Potato. Vegetable. Sorry to bata. All you know, right?
Come on, any vegetable name, any vegetable. Whatever vegetable you know. You know what is potato?
Okay.
Yes? Okay, next is Ilango.
வெஜிடபிள் சொல்லுங்க
Good morning.
வெஜிடபிள் சொல்லுங்க வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் கேரட் சொல்லுங்க வேற
Carrot, beetroot, very good children. So all these are vegetables. Carrot, beetroot, tomato, brinjal, onion, lady's finger, beans. Okay, all these bitter gourd, bottle gourd, everything are vegetables. So when you have all those vegetables, when you eat all those vegetables, you'll become healthy. So today's rhyme is going to be related to vegetables. Vegetables, vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat, or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Okay? Vegetables, vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat, or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. One more time. Vegetables, do the action, children. Vegetables, vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat, them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Yes, very good. And our next session is going to be our language section. Okay, we already learned alphabet G. Right, today we are going to learn a new alphabet, that is H. I want you to take your worksheet book, children. Come on, all of you take your worksheet book. Worksheet number is D27LT. D27LT. Here you have H. Today we are going to learn H. What is the phonic sound for H, children? What is the phonic sound for H? All of you, look at the screen. What is the phonic sound for H?
Hope, 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 hope.
Ha, 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 ha. Okay, so house. H for house. H for hat. H for helicopter. Can you hear the ha sound in all these pictures, children? H for hammer. Ha, hammer. H for hands. Ha, ha, hands. H for horse. Ha, ha, horse. H for heart. Can everyone hear the ha sound in all these pictures? House, hat, helicopter, hammer, hands, horse, heart. So all these are related to ha sound H. Okay, now take your worksheet. First, keep your pointer finger and trace the letter. And then you can start writing. From number 1, draw a standing line from the red line to the blue line. And then a curve. H. Standing line and a curve. H. Spell and write, children. Standing line and a curve. H. From red line to blue line and a curve. H.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Children, next H page will be your homework. Take it down as homework today. All these days, whatever homework you are sending, 3 days homework, I have noted down for everyone. But I am not able to edit through my mobile. I'll check it out and I'll correct it and give it to you, children, by tomorrow. So please do your homework and send it to me. I'll note it down in my file, okay? H. If you are finished, please let me know. We'll move to the next worksheet.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Nimalan's mom.
Ma'am, what was the homework for yesterday, ma'am?
Yesterday I didn't give any homework.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Today only I have given you. You send it to me. Today I'll check whether I'm able to edit or else I'll note it down.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Those are finished. Take the next page. B28LT. And write today's date. Today's date is 5-8-2121. D28LT. letter, children. H.
Ma'am, which page is this actually?
Sorry.
Which page is this, ma'am?
D28 LT.
Okay.
Then G. Like A itself, we have to start and come down with the curve. Again H. G. G sounds g, g, g. Water gurgles down the drain. G. And H sounds h, h, h. Okay, now find out which picture goes with the letter. H for horse or goat and G for goat or horse. Whatever is related to the letter, match it. Draw a line. H for, what will you match? H for ha, ha. What will you match, children? H for horse or goat? Horse. Very good. H for ha, ha, horse. Next, G for g, g. Where can you hear the g sound, in horse or goat? Goat only you can hear the g sound. So match goat. Again H for horse. Horse only you can hear the h sound. So match horse. And then g, goat. Finish?
No, ma'am, 1 minute.
Yeah. Nakshatra finish. Nitish finish.
So 1 minute, ma'am. Still?
Kevin. Very good, Nitish. Very good, Kevin. Srinija.
Yeah, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we move on to the next worksheet? Adya.
Yes, done.
Now the next worksheet is D29LT. D29LT. Here also you have 4 pictures. You have to write the initial sound of the picture. Okay, if suppose grapes means g sound, what you will write? Write in the box. House, h sound, what you will write? Write in the box. Again hippo, h sound, what letter you should write? H means what letter you will write? Write it. And then giraffe, G or H, you have to write. Srinija, G for grapes or H for grapes?
G.
G, very good. Next for house, what will you write, Yukta?
Hey.
Yukta? House, what will you write?
House can rasta.
H.
H, very good, Yukta. Hippo, what you will write?
H.
Very good. Nimalan, what will you write for giraffe?
இங்க பாரு மேம் கேக்குறாங்க ஒண்ணேதான் இங்க பாரு ஜிராஃப் என்ன போடுவ ஜியா ஹெச்சா
Giraffe, what will you write, Nimalan? G, very good. Yeah, good, ma. G. Why dragging ma'am like this? Good. Finish, everyone.
ஒழுங்கா சொல்லு தப்பாது.
Those are finished. Take the next worksheet. D27MT, math worksheet. D27MT. You are going to count the number of objects and write in the boxes. Write today's date and start doing it, children. Those are finished. D27 empty.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, page number, ma'am.
D27 empty.
That plant root, ma'am. That page, ma'am.
Huh?
Plant, rose plant.
Rose plant. அதே
Yeah.
empty மேக்ஸ் ஒர்க் ஷீட் இருக்கும் பாருங்க. ஸ்கிரீன் எந்த தெரியலீங்களா உங்களுக்கு?
No, ma'am. தெரியல, ma'am.
1395 ன்னு இருக்கும் பாருங்க. அத கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க, பின் பண்ணுங்க, என்னோட ஸ்கிரீன் தெரியும்.
அம்மா
Parents, everyone are able to see my screen?
Ma'am, page number?
Yes, ma'am.
D27 empty. If you are not able to see my screen, the name is D1395. That name you can see my screen.
In the screen, page number is not there.
Sorry?
Screen page number is not there.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Yeah, okay, ma'am. Now visible, ma'am. Now visible.
Yeah, fine. D27 empty. Anyone has finished this worksheet? We'll start counting, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How will you write 6 in this box, children? Yesterday itself I taught you for single digit number. If you get 2 boxes, how you should write? First box, what will you write? What should you write, children? First box?
0.
Very good. 0 in the first box. And then number 2. Okay. Now next is banana. Group of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16, how will you write? What number you should write for 16? 16. What number you should write?
16.
You don't know to write 16. Yes?
1, 6, 6.
Very good. 1, 6, 16. Thank you, Yukta. Next is balloons. Group of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How to write 14? What I have to write here? 14 எப்படி எழுதணும்? Anyone?
1 for 14, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you, Ilango. 1, 4, 14. Thank you for helping, ma'am. Next is 10, 20. 20, how will you write? 2, 0, 20.
2 0.
2, 0, 20. No one should write 0, 2. 0, 2 னு யாரும் எழுதக்கூடாது. It is wrong. 2 and 0. 2 in the first box, 0 in the second box. 20. Finish?
Finished.
Very good. Now all of you take your math notebook. Those are finished. Those who are finished, take your maths notebook and write today's date. Finish all of you. Want me to share the screen?
சொல்லுங்க
Finish? Yeah, very good.
Mokshita, finish, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Finish, children.
நிதின் மேம் சொல்லுங்க டன் மேம்
Done, ma'am.
சொல்லு மேம் டன் மேம்
Done, ma'am.
Take your math notebook, write today's date, children. And the activity we are going to do is greater number and smaller number. I need two colors, red and green also. Be ready with red and green color crayons or color pencils. Okay? First, you have to write.
Sorry, ma'am, what do you have to do?
Take your math notebook. Write today's date and today's activities. Greater number, smaller number. First number is 9. Second number is 13. You already have done like this. So you are going to draw the number of beads here and the greater number, whichever has the greater number of beads, you have to circle it with red color. Okay, and the smaller number with green color. Greater number na red color, smaller number na green color la circle pannu. Okay? First draw the beads and find out which is greater.
I'm gonna go to restroom, ma'am.
Yeah, go and come, ma. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beads here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13. So which line has the greater number of beads? That is the greater number. The whole sheet you can use, full sheet you can use, children. You can draw in one box also. You have checks in that math notebook, no? So each check one beads you can draw. It will be easy for you to see which has the greater number of beads. ஒரு செக்ஸ்லயும் ஒரு பீட்ஸ் வரையலாம். அப்ப ஈஸியா இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு எதுல நிறைய பீட்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்றதுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். After drawing the beads, find out which is having the more number. எதுல நிறைய beads இருக்கோ அந்த number circle with red color. And then which has the lesser number of beads, that is the smaller number, circle it with green color. Slowly do it, children. No need to rush up. Do it slowly. Do slowly, then only you can understand. Do it slowly. Anyone has finished drawing the beads? Finish, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Finish. Now circle the greater number. எதுல நிறைய beads இருக்கு? That is the greater number. Circle it with red color.
இது ரெண்டுத்துல எதுல வந்து நிறைய நம்ம
See here.
நிறைய பீச் போட்டிருக்க நீங்க நிறைய சர்க்கிள் பண்ணிருக்க
Circle the greater number with red color. Look at the screen. What ma'am has circled? 13 ல தான் நிறைய beads இருக்கு. 13 has more number of beads. So I have circled it with red color. And 9 has very less number of beads. So I have circled it with green color. Like that you have to do children.
அதுக்கு ரெட்
Greater number, red color you have to circle.
கலர்ல
Smaller number, circle it with green color.
அழிக்க முடியாது நீ அதே மாதிரியே
Yes, ma'am.
Finished, Adarsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, Adarsh. All of you finish the sum. Let me see. Show me your notebook. Very good, Nimulan. Good. Show me your notebook, children. Nakshatra. Good, Nakshatra. Nakshatra, did you do it without help? Help illama panningla, Nakshatra?
ஹெல்ப் அது கிரேட்டர் ஸ்மாலர் அது தெரியல மேம். பீட்ஸ் எல்லாம் அவதான் வரைஞ்சா.
அதுதான் சொல்றேன், நிறைய பீட்ஸ் இருக்கிறது கிரேட்டர் நம்பர், கம்மியா பீட்ஸ் இருக்கிறது லெஸ் நம்பர் ஆஃப் பீட்ஸ் இருக்கிறது ஸ்மாலர் நம்பர். ஓகே நட்சத்ரா? நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் single box itself you draw a bead. Okay va? Then only you can find out with the height.
உனக்கு தான் சொல்றேன். ஓகே.
Okay.
Okay, very good, Srinija. Good. Okay, now the next sum, take another page. Next sum, you can use the full page, children. Number is 7, 11. 7 and 11. நக்ஷத்ரா, ஸ்கிரீன் பாருங்க. லுக் அட் தி ஸ்கிரீன். எதுலமா நிறைய பீட்ஸ் இருக்கு? 11 ஆ 7 ஆ?
இதுல நான்
which has more beads? 11 ஆ 7 ஆ? நம்பர் சொல்லுங்க.
நம்பர் சொல்லுங்க.
வெரி குட். லைக் திஸ் only you have to find out. height தெரியுதா எதுல நிறைய இருக்குன்னு? 7ல கம்மியா இருக்கு, லெஸ்ஸா இருக்கு. ஓகே, ஆனா 11ல நிறைய இருக்கு. More number of beads. So greater number is which number? You have to circulate with red color. I will not tell you the greater number now. Finish it on yourself, children.
7 beats or 11 beats?
Adya, which number is having more beads here? Look at the screen.
ज्यादा किसमें है
Which is having more number of beads?
बिग कौन सा है
11
बिग कौन सा बिग
1,
हाँ क्या है ये क्या लिखा है ये क्या लिखा है
1,
1 1.
1,
1 1
1, 1, 11.
हाँ good.
Very good, Adya. Good. So greater number is 11. Good. Ilango, look at the screen. Ilango, which has less number of beads? எதுல கம்மியா இருக்குமா beads?
பீட்ஸ் எதுல கம்மியா இருக்கு?
Number?
சொல்லு, அது என்ன நம்பர்?
Kami.
அதான் கம்மி. என்ன நம்பர் அது? நம்பர் சொல்லு.
1,
நம்பர் இல்ல இதுங்க என்ன நம்பர் போட்டிருக்கோ அது சொல்லு.
7.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Very good. 7 only has less number. Very good. Now you can understand the concept, children. Greater and smaller, which has more number of beads, that is the greater number. Which has less number of beads, that is the smaller number. Finished all of you. Now shall we circle? Greater number is 11. Circle it with red color. And the smaller number is 7. Circle it with green color. Finished. Now the third sum you yourself are going to do, children. Shall I give you the third sum? Second sum finish? Very good. Only Nakshatra finished. The others didn't finish?
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, Ravanya finished. Nimalan finished. Yukta didn't finish, Srinija, good.
No, ma'am.
Ilango finished the second sum? Ilango?
Ma'am, who will counting on? Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Finish,
சொல்லு finish பண்ணு.
Good. Yeah, good, Adya. Very good. Okay, the next sum is very easy sum only. 2, 8. Do it on your own, children. 2 and 8. Very easy to find out which is the greater number and smaller number.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, after 9:30, what you given, ma'am?
9 and 13, அப்புறமா 11 and 7.
11 and 7.
ஆமா. This is third sum.
Yeah,
2 and
okay.
8.
Wait, ma'am.
Children, look at the screen and find out which is the greater number. Tell me which is the greater
Ma'am,
number.
11, 7.
More beats.
Ma'am, 11, 7.
11, 7, second sum, third sum, 2 and 8.
Okay, ma'am.
Which is the greater number, children?
Wait.
Okay, which is the smaller number?
2.
Huh? 2, good. Greater number with red and smaller number with green. Finish. Very good, Srinija.
இரு இப்ப சொல்லு.
Amma.
Very good, Adya.
Finish பண்ணு.
Ma'am, finish.
Easy, yeah. Now it has become easy for you. Very good. Anya, Ilango. Very good. Srija, good finish. Nakshatra, very good, Nakshatra.
பண்ணிருக்கடா 8
Shravanya, finish.
Ma'am, I finished my homework.
Very good. Nimalan, Yukta, Nitish. Very good, Yukta. Very good, Nimalan. Very good. Well done. Big round of applause. Now we are clear with greater number and smaller number. More number of big means greater number. Small number of big means smaller number. Less number of big means smaller number. Okay, like that you have to find out. Okay, children. Very good, children. Big round of applause for you. Thanks for your cooperation. Tomorrow we'll be learning about plants. So I want you to bring a small plant. Uproot the plant from the soil and bring the full plant tomorrow. Okay, plant only edutittu vaanga naaliki without fail. We learn about plants tomorrow. Understood? Not in a pot. Pot oda venda. Full plant. Take it out from the soil and bring it. Okay. Thank you, children. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye everyone.
Bye, Sunil.
Yeah, bye everyone.
Bye.
Say bye, Sunil.
Yeah, bye.
How did that finish?
Bye, ma'am, Sunil. Say bye, ma'am, Sunil.
How did that finish?
Plant with pot, Small plant with pot. Ma'am?